Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5, Vector Space Transformation. So the question is, check whether the transformation T where V1R belongs to VQR be defined by Tx equals to x comma x square comma x cube is a linear or not. So we have to check the transformation which is linear or not. So first we write what is given in this question. This is solution and given. So our T V1 of R belongs to VQ of R. What is the transformation of x which is equals to x comma x square comma x cube. So first we understand what is V1R and VQR. So V1 of R, it means space of real polynomial of degree which is less than or equal to 1. So space of real polynomial of degree which is less than or equal to 1. Like that for VQR, this is nothing but space of real polynomial of degree which is less than or equal to 3. So these are the things we have to understand from this question. Now we have to check the condition for the linearity. So a transformation T is linear if both conditions hold. It means additivity. Second one is homogeneity, means scalar multiplication. So we can write it as condition for linearity, which is a transformation T is linear if both condition hold. First one is additivity and second one is homogeneity, means scalar multiplication. Homogeneity means scalar multiplication. So first we check additivity, after we check homogeneity, means scalar multiplication. But step 1, which is additivity. So T of x1 plus x2 should be equal to T of x1 plus T of x2. This is the condition for additivity. Now let's check it for this question. So T of x1 plus x2 should be equal to x1 plus x2 comma x1 plus x2 whole square according to the condition. It means T of x equals to x square x cube. We have to check for this, and comma x1 plus x2 whole cube. So now we have to solve. This is x1 plus x2. Same for x1 plus x2 whole square is x1 square plus x2 square plus 2x1 x2, like that. For x1 x2 whole cube is x1 whole cube plus x2 whole cube plus 3x1 square x2 plus 3x2 square x2, 3x2 square x1. This is nothing but, this is q. So now compute with the given equation, which is tx1 plus tx2. So we can say that this is x1 comma x1 square and x1 cube plus x2 square and x2 cube. So now x1 plus x2 comma x1 square plus x2 square comma x1 cube plus x2 cube. So they are not equal because some extra terms are appear in the square and cube. So we can say that this condition is not satisfied. So our last equation which we got, x1 plus x2 comma x1 square plus x2 square plus x1 cube, this is comma is there, not plus x2 cube. So some extra terms are there, so we can write it as these are not equal it means some extra terms are appear in terms of squares and cubes. So this is not satisfied the condition which is tx1 plus tx2 which is equals to t of x1 plus x2. This condition is not satisfied. So this is not follow the first condition which is additivity. Now move to our second condition which is homogeneity, means scalar multiplication. Our step 2 is homogeneity means scalar multiplication. So what is the condition for scalar multiplication? It means t of cx. This is nothing but any constant which is multiply our given transformation, which is equals to c of x comma c of x square comma c of x cube. So we can take it c outside. So t of x equals to, here we take c constant outside, which is x comma x square comma x cube, which is equals to c times of x comma cx square comma cx cube. So we can clearly see that the power of c is changes from 1 2 to 3, means c to the power 1, c to the power 2 and c to the power 3. So we can clearly see that this the power is not equal, that's why this is not follow the scalar multiplication property. So we can say that c t time transformation of c of x which is not equal to c times of transformation of x. This condition is not satisfied. So we can say that the transformation t of x which is equals to x comma x square comma x cube, which is given in this question, is not linear. So like that in every question you have to check these two conditions for the linear for transformation. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.